In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have your Monday.com workspace connected to QuickBooks so you can pull in accounting details where you manage projects, accounts, and workflows. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your Monday.com account with permission to install apps and have your QuickBooks Online credentials ready. This process uses the official QuickBooks integration by glances found in the Monday.com marketplace, and it works best with QuickBooks Online. Begin on your Monday.com homepage. This is your main hub, and starting here ensures the marketplace and installation screens open in the right context for your account. Look to the upper right corner of the page for the product switcher icon. It looks like a small grid of 9 dots. Click that to open your product menu. From the product switcher, choose Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Monday.com hosts its apps and integrations, and it's the safest way to add trusted tools to your account. Once the Marketplace opens, use the search bar and type QuickBooks. This narrows the results to apps related to QuickBooks, so you don't have to scroll. In the results, select QuickBooks Integration by Glances. This listing consolidates QuickBooks data directly within your boards, making it easy to view and sync accounting details alongside your items. Open the listing to review a quick overview and confirm it matches what you need. When you're ready, click Install App. Monday.com will guide you through permissions so the integration can access the data it needs to function properly. Next, click Install to confirm. If prompted, review the scopes or permissions. You might need admin rights on your Monday.com account to proceed. After confirming, you'll choose where to use the app. Select a workspace. If you're unsure, pick the workspace where your finance or operations team typically manages client, invoice, or project data. Choosing the right workspace keeps everything organized and ensures your teammates can access the integration where they work most. Now choose a board. This can be an existing board, or you can create a new one if you prefer a clean setup for accounting-related items. Boards are where your items live, and the integration will appear as a view or panel within the board you select. If you want to keep billing or invoicing separate from general tasks, consider using or creating a dedicated board just for finance-related items. With your board selected, click Add App. This attaches the integration to that specific board so you can use it immediately. You'll then see an option to connect QuickBooks. Click that to start a secure sign-in flow. This step opens the QuickBooks authentication window. It's normal to be redirected to a secure Intuit login page during this part. Click Sign In and enter your QuickBooks Online credentials. If your account has access to multiple companies, choose the correct company file when prompted. Grant the requested permissions so the integration can read and display the data you expect, such as customers, invoices, or transactions. If you use single sign-on, follow your usual login process. When the connection is successful, you'll be returned to Monday.com. At this point, QuickBooks is connected to your Monday.com board. You should see the integration panel or view become available, often showing QuickBooks details linked to the items on your board. If you don't see data immediately, that's normal. Ensure you're on the board you connected and verify that your user has access to the relevant records in QuickBooks. You can fine-tune how and where the data appears using the options within the integration view. That's it. You've added the app from the marketplace, installed it to the right workspace and board, and signed in to authorize the QuickBooks connection. From here, you can work with your items in Monday.com while referencing QuickBooks information in context, which helps your team make decisions faster without switching tabs. If you ever need to adjust permissions or move the integration to a different board, revisit the same marketplace and board settings flow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy having your QuickBooks data right inside Monday.com.